Foldology is a unique origami puzzle game that combines the traditional art of paper folding with challenging brain teasers designed for tweens, teens, and adults. The game comes as a compact pad of 100 puzzles, each printed on high-quality paper measuring about 5 inches square, making it highly portable and easy to take on trips or use during commutes. This size is smaller than standard origami paper, but is praised for its convenience and the ability to fold without needing a flat surface. The paper quality is thick enough to hold folds well, but still flexible enough to make neat creases, which is essential for the intricate folding required in the puzzles. The puzzles are organized into 5 difficulty levels, ranging from beginner to very challenging, providing over 50 hours of engaging playtime. This progression allows players to gradually build their skills and confidence, which is especially helpful for younger players or those new to origami puzzles. The game is designed to train visual spatial abilities, critical thinking, and logical reasoning, making it both an entertaining and educational experience. Many users have noted that Foldology successfully encourages kids to put away screens and engage in hands-on problem solving. Players do not need any prior origami experience to enjoy Foldology. The instructions and objectives are clear, with picture sections on each puzzle that guide the folding process and make the goals more accessible. This visual aid is a significant advantage over some similar products, making Foldology more user-friendly and satisfying to complete. The puzzles challenge the mind and dexterity, with the most advanced levels offering a real test of patience and skill. Some users have reported successfully completing the highest challenge, which is a notable achievement given the complexity involved. The game has been well received across a broad age range. Families have found it to be an excellent non-electronic activity that brings multiple generations together. Adults, teenagers, and preteens have all enjoyed the challenge and the satisfaction of solving the puzzles. The game also serves as a great gift option for holidays or birthdays, appealing to puzzle enthusiasts and origami fans alike. While the compact size is generally seen as a benefit, a few users wish the paper was slightly larger. However, this is a minor concern compared to the overall quality and design. The paper holds up well to repeated folding, although some wear such as tiny holes can appear on the most challenging puzzles after extensive use. This wear does not typically prevent completion, but is something to be aware of for heavy users. Foldology stands out among similar origami puzzle games for its superior paper quality, clear visual objectives, and broad appeal. It is often compared to other logic and folding games like Manifold and Colorfold, with many finding Foldology easier to approach yet still deeply satisfying. The game's design allows players to fold and solve puzzles anywhere, whether on the couch, in the car, or during downtime, adding to its versatility. In summary, Foldology is an expertly crafted origami puzzle game that offers a rich and rewarding challenge for players aged 10 and up. Its thoughtful design, quality materials, and range of difficulty levels make it a standout choice for anyone looking to engage their mind and hands in a fun, portable format. Whether you are an origami enthusiast or simply enjoy puzzles that stimulate your brain, Foldology delivers a unique and enjoyable experience. If you have this game, consider leaving a review in the comments to help others discover its benefits. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing this innovative puzzle game.